Well, as yet, no deal has been reached on the price of iron ore for Chinese steelmakers, and that means they need to pay the same price for all imports of this key raw material. An expensive deal, given that iron ore recently broke the $100 per ton mark. Well, the country's steel industry body is stepping in with efforts to curb speculation and boost management of supply and demand on the domestic market. Laurie Liu with the details.
The Iron and Steel Association says unauthorized imports are rampant in China. According to latest figures, 152 enterprises are importing iron ore, despite the fact that only 112 have qualifications. This has led to excess iron ore imports. In the first half of the year, China imported 300 million tons of iron ore, while intermediary traders imported 131 million tons, far exceeding the country's real demand.
The
real demand is much lower. There are 40 million tons of excess imports. This is due to growing imports from intermediary traders. This year, intermediary traders imported 20% more iron ore than the same period last year.
The excess imports of iron ore have also led to rising marine shipping fees, which have soared. For example, marine shipping prices from Brazil to China have risen from less than $9 per ton at the end of last year to over $45 per ton. The iron ore price also broke the $100 per ton mark, far exceeding the $60 contract price Japan and other countries have reached. These pressures have put China's steel industry on the edge of all-round losses for the year.
If steel companies accept the current iron ore price or even higher, the industry will not be able to make profits this year. They can't even survive, so we can't accept the price under the current situation.
The association requires all importers to clarify where their imports are going. That means they have to hold steelmakers' contracts in advance. Steelmakers must also be in line with the requirements of the government's industry rejuvenation plan. The association also aims to strictly regulate iron ore imports to curb speculation. Laurie Liu, CCTV.